In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get real-time market data on Tradovate. If you want your charts, quotes, and order tickets to reflect the live futures market, setting up the right data feed is essential. I'll show you exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the data type that fits your trading style. Start by logging into the Tradovate web trader in your browser. Using the web platform keeps everything consistent with the steps I'm about to outline. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. That's the application settings button. Click it to open your platform settings. Inside application settings, navigate to the subscriptions tab. This is where Tradovate manages everything related to account add-ons and market data. Scroll down until you see the market data section. Here, you'll find individual exchange feeds you can subscribe to. The common ones for futures are CME, CBOT, NYMEX, and COMEX. Choose the exchanges that match what you trade. For context, equity index futures like the S&P and NASDAQ come from CME. Treasury futures are on CBOT. Energy products such as crude oil and natural gas are on NYMEX, and metals like gold and silver are on COMEX. Click Subscribe next to the feeds you need. Next, decide which data type you want. Level 1, often called top of book, gives you the best bid, best ask, last price, and basic quote updates. It's ideal for standard charting and placing trades through an order ticket. If that's how you operate, Level 1 is typically all you need to see prices update live and make informed decisions. If you use the depth of market ladder, also called DOM, you'll want Level 2, or market depth. Level 2 shows multiple layers of buy and sell orders at different price levels, so you can gauge liquidity, see how the order book is shifting, and time entries with more precision. It's the data that powers the DOM ladder and advanced order flow views. Keep in mind that Level 2 is more detailed and often carries a higher cost, so choose it if you specifically plan to use DOM or need depth visibility. Once you've selected the exchanges and data type that match your trading needs, you're all set within the Subscriptions tab. After you subscribe, live prices will begin streaming into your charts and quotes. It can take a moment to activate. You can always return to the same subscriptions area later to add another exchange or switch between Level 1 and Level 2 as your approach evolves. That's it. Log in, open application settings, go to subscriptions, pick your exchanges and market data, and choose Level 1 or Level 2 based on how you trade. Now you're ready to work with real-time futures data in Tradovate.